The future of English. What happens when a language becomes the most popular in the world and everybody speaks it? Will the grammatical rules change? Will the pronunciation change? What institution will regulate it? Well, the truth is that we cannot know what is going to happen in the future, but we can speculate what will be. English has become a language of respect. All countries want and need to learn it in order to improve the benefits that English brings with it. English has become the language of learning, and why not? After all, the universities with more prestige in the world are located in the United Kingdom and the United States. English has become so important that even China, which has the most spoken language in the world, decided to learn English. The importance that they give to English is impressive. They want to learn it with so much determination and passion that they can make possible the idea that English will become the language with more influence in the world without a doubt. China is the only country that can decide something like this. They could try to teach Chinese to the world, but they decided for English, and this will change history. But what kind of phenomena will occur when the mixture of English and all the other languages combine? One of the first initiatives that English would have to adopt is the creation of an institution that regulates English. Both American and British have to come to an agreement in order to preserve the structure and status that English has earned throughout centuries. When English had to get in contact with French and Scandinavian for commercial and economic issues in the 11th century, the language wasn't completely structured as the official national language, and it get a massive influence of French. Actually, French and English created that phenomenon that it is called pidgin. When this pidgin was created, many words were introduced to English and it changed the history of English. If this pidgin was created with the contact of only two countries, what will happen now that the world has come to an era of globalization? The communication with so many countries that Great Britain and the United States have contact with will affect the language? The answer, believe it or not, we can find it in the past. Because how had the language managed to survive the French invasions? After all, Celtic had not survived the Anglo-Saxon invasions. Evidently, the English language in the 11th century was too well established. Unlike Celtic, it had a considerable written literature and a strong oral tradition. It would have taken several hundred years of French immigration and a large number of immigrants to have changed things. Talking specifically of the United States, we have to point out the influence of Spanish in American English, the most powerful country in the world. Spanish, being the second language with more speakers in the world, will play an important role in the evolution of American English. With all the immigrations, English vocabulary has already changed. This phenomenon is similar to what happened with French in the 11th century. So English will be forgotten in the United States? Of course not. But the vocabulary that will develop from this phenomenon will affect also British English? Will China change English in the future? That is why it's really important that an English institution, so English speakers can determine which words will be taken in or out of English. The important factor here is not to rely just on English. We have to keep the culture of the other languages to make English bigger, not the only language. New words won't be added to English only for the coexistence of many languages, but also for the necessity of new words. Probably is not the same teaching nature vocabulary in the United States that it would be in Madagascar or in Japan. The exact same thing happened when Puritans arrived in the colonies. They found out that there were many things that they had never been in contact with, so they had to add new vocabulary to English. Did that ruin English? No, it didn't. It was all the way around. It enriched it. Nobody knows what the future of languages is in general, but the language that has the bigger influence in economy and education will be the one that will change its own structure in a bigger way. And English has already made its move in education. Now, if you aspire to be successful, you have to pass an exam. One of the biggest obstacles that English has imposed to the world are the exams. This started in 1964 with the American exam of English, the TOEFL. Now, if you want to have a better life with more opportunities to work, to travel, to live comfortably, you have to prove that you know English, that you own it. People cannot go further until they get or they show their English knowledge. And English teachers will be the gates that will allow people to get a good profession. English, in less than 50 years, will become the language of the world. The question is, it will someday become the language of the universe?